So we are doing question from GATE 2019 electronics branch, and this question is from subject electronic devices. So it says that a germanium sample of dimensions 1 centimeter cross 1 centimeter is illuminated with a 20 milliwatt 600 nanometer laser light source. So this is a germanium sample 1 centimeter cross 1 centimeter dimensions, and it is illuminated with this light source 20 milliwatt 600 nanometer. So it has two layers. Upper layer is silicon and below silicon dioxide there is the germanium layer. Upper layer is silicon dioxide and below silicon dioxide is the germanium layer. So we can see that in the figure. So the illuminated sample surface has a 100 nanometer of lossless SiO2 layer. So the thickness of this SiO2 layer is 100 nanometer. So it reflects 1/4 of the incident light. Okay. So this SiO2 layer reflects 1/4 of this incident light. So incident light is 20 milliwatt. So 5 milliwatt. 1/4 is 5 milliwatt. 5 milliwatt is reflected back by this SiO2 layer. Then from the remaining light, 1/3 of the power is reflected from the SiO2 germanium interface. 1/3 is absorbed in the germanium layer and 1/3 is transmitted through the other side of the sample. So after 5 milliwatt is reflected, remaining is 15 milliwatt. So out of those 15 milliwatt, 5 milliwatt, 1/3 is reflected by this SiO2 germanium interface. Then 5 milliwatt is absorbed in this germanium layer and 5 milliwatt is transmitted through the other side of the sample. Okay. So total is 20 milliwatt. 5 milliwatt, 1/4 is reflected back by this SiO2 layer. Then out of the remaining 15 milliwatt, 1/3 is absorbed, 1/3 is reflected by this SiO2 germanium interface. Then 1/3, that is 5 milliwatt, is absorbed in the germanium layer, and the remaining 1/3, that is 5 milliwatt, is transmitted through the other side of the sample. Then it says that the absorption coefficient of germanium at 600 nanometer is 3 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter inverse. So the absorption coefficient, obviously it will be dependent on the wavelength. So it is 3 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter inverse at 600 nanometer. Then it says that the band gap is 0.66 electron volt. So we have to find the thickness of the germanium layer, rounded off to 3 decimal places in micrometer. So we have to find the thickness of this germanium layer. So we can draw a diagram like this. See, out 5 milliwatt is reflected back by this SiO2 interface. Then 5 milliwatt is reflected back by the SiO2 interface. So total 10 milliwatt is incident on the germanium interface. Total light incident on the germanium interface is 10 milliwatt. So this is 10 milliwatt is power is incident on the germanium interface. So and 5 milliwatt is transmitted through the other side of the sample. So this is 5 milliwatt. Okay. So light is absorbed and 5 milliwatt light is absorbed, and the remaining 5 milliwatt is transmitted back through the other side of the sample. So this is P naught equal to 10 milliwatt, and this curve is given by the equation P equal to P naught e to the power minus alpha t. Okay, P equal to P naught e to the power minus alpha t, because 10 milliwatt was incident at the germanium layer. Okay, 10 milliwatt was incident at the germanium layer. Then this 10 milliwatt declined to 5 milliwatt, and the 5 milliwatt was transmitted through the other side of the sample. Okay, so you can write like this: 10 milliwatt equal to, sorry, 5 milliwatt, P equal to P naught e to the power minus alpha t. So P is 5 milliwatt T naught is 10 milliwatt e to the power minus alpha t. So this will be equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 equal to e to the power minus alpha t. So e to the power alpha t equal to 2. We can take log of the both the sides. So t equal to ln of 2 upon alpha. T equal to ln of 2 upon alpha. So this is equal to ln of 2 upon 3 into 10 to power 4. So you can calculate it and you will get the answer as 0.231 micrometer. 0.231 micrometer will be the answer. So the answer is here is 0.231. Okay. So this is how we can calculate the thickness of the germanium layer. This T is nothing but the thickness of this germanium layer, and this alpha is the absorption coefficient. So this question was directly formula based question. Just we had to apply the values correctly. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel and share your feedback in the comment box.